Good morning, students. Welcome back to our grammar class. Today we are going to learn about the subject and predicate in a sentence. In every sentence, we mention a person, place, and thing, and then we say something about that person, place, or thing. The person, place, or thing we mention is the subject. Whatever we say about the person or thing is the predicate. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. For example, Rahul likes playing football. This is a sentence that makes complete sense. Rahul is the subject because the sentence is about Rahul. Likes playing football is the predicate because it tells us about the subject Rahul. The part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about is called the subject. The part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. For example, the girls are not tired. The girls is subject, are is verb, and are not tired is predicate. Then some more examples. The boy was chasing a cat. The boy is subject and was chasing a cat predicate. Suraj is sleeping. Suraj is subject and is sleeping is predicate. Then subject in commands. In this sentence, the subject is not mentioned. Come here. The subject is actually you, and the sentence actually read like the following: You come here. You is subject and come here is predicate. Similarly, don't talk. In this sentence, you is subject and don't talk is predicate. Remember, in all commands, the subject is you, which is not mentioned in the sentence but is understood. Subject in questions. The subject usually comes before the predicate, but in questions, subjects come after predicates. For example, where is mother? Where is here, where is predicate and mother is subject. The next, who are you? Who are predicate and you is subject. Then let us revise. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. In commands, the subject is you, which is not mentioned but implied. In questions and exclamatory sentences, predicates usually come before the subjects.